So today we're doing a flip through of this Bible. This is my watercolor Bible. That is what I have assigned to it. So all I'm going to be doing in this Bible is watercolor entries. Of course, there is one entry that is totally printable, and that was from the year when I presented on the Saved by Grace Bible Journaling Conference. And so I'm going to give you a little flip through of some entries that I've done in this Bible. If you enjoy this flip through, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Throughout the rest of this year and into next year, we're going to be working a lot more in this Bible, so stay tuned.
From generation to generation, passed down through every age, there's a story of a Savior whose love will never change. All creation will bow before Him, every tongue will praise His name. Until the day He comes again, we will say, You are worthy. You are worthy, Lord, of every song we sing, every breath we breathe. Let our praises ever be that you are worthy, so worthy, Lord. Through the valleys and the mountains, you've heard our every prayer. On earth as it is in heaven, we know you're always there. There's nothing like your presence, there's no one who compares. For all eternity